Ever pondered why your canine companion seems to have an unbreakable bond with you? It's a question that has intrigued pet owners and animal lovers alike for centuries. What exactly is it that makes dogs, these four-legged creatures of different shapes, sizes, and temperaments, form such a deep, enduring connection with us humans? This question is as fascinating as it is complex. It's not just about the wagging tails, the eager eyes waiting at the door, or the unconditional love they seem to shower upon us. It's about understanding the science behind this unique relationship, the deep-rooted instincts, and the emotional connections that bind dogs and humans together. In this video, we are going to delve into the heart of this mystery. We'll explore the scientific, evolutionary, and emotional perspectives of this remarkable bond between man and man's best friend. Intrigued? So were we. Let's unravel this canine conundrum together. Science has a profound explanation for this unique bond. Let's delve into it, shall we? The story begins thousands of years ago with the process of domestication. This wasn't an overnight event, but a lengthy, gradual process that saw wolves, the ancestors of our modern-day dogs, grow increasingly comfortable around humans. Over time, these wolves evolved into a more docile species that we now know as dogs. This evolution was driven by mutual benefits. Humans provided food and safety, while dogs offered their hunting skills and companionship. This partnership was not just a matter of convenience. Genetics played a significant role. The wolves that were more genetically predisposed to be friendly towards humans had a higher chance of survival and reproduction. These friendlier genes were passed down through generations, shaping the behavior of dogs as we know them today. Over the years, countless studies have delved into this fascinating bond. One such research conducted by the renowned scientist Dr. Brian Hare found that dogs are capable of understanding human gestures and emotions to a degree that no other species can. This ability is not even found in our closest relatives, the chimpanzees. It's as if dogs have been genetically wired to connect with us on an emotional level. Another study led by Professor Takafumi Kikusui demonstrated that when dogs and their human companions gaze into each other's eyes, both get a surge of a hormone called oxytocin. If that sounds familiar, it's because oxytocin is the same hormone that helps mothers bond with their newborn babies. It's a hormone deeply tied to feelings of love and affection. In a nutshell, the bond we share with our dogs isn't just about companionship. It's a bond that has been shaped by thousands of years of evolution, influenced by genetics, nurtured by mutual benefits, and reinforced by emotional connections. So it seems our four-legged friends are more than just pets. They're a part of our family, by nature and by science. But how did this connection evolve over time? Let's dive into the evolutionary perspective to answer this intriguing question. Our relationship with dogs dates back thousands of years. In fact, it's believed that dogs were the first domesticated species, long before cows, sheep, or crops. This relationship started when wolves, the ancestors of today's dogs, began to hang around human campsites. Over time, these wolves became more and more comfortable in human presence. But why did this happen? Well, humans and wolves were hunting the same animals. As a result, wolves found it beneficial to follow human hunters, scavenging on their leftovers. Some wolves were less afraid of humans and got closer, and those were the ones that got the most food. This is natural selection in action. Those wolves that were less fearful of humans were more likely to survive and reproduce. Over generations, these wolves started to look and behave differently. Their bodies became smaller, their teeth less sharp, and their temperaments more docile. They had evolved into a new species, what we now call dogs. But the evolution didn't stop there. As human societies developed, so did the roles of dogs within them. Dogs took on a variety of roles such as hunting companions, guard dogs, and even spiritual symbols. They were bred for specific traits to help them perform these roles, leading to the diverse breeds we see today. Fast forward to the present day, dogs have become an integral part of our lives. They have adapted to living with us in our modern society, understanding human emotions, and even learning to communicate with us in their own way. This ability to adapt and evolve alongside us is what has enabled dogs to maintain their place in our hearts and homes. So you see, the bond between humans and dogs is not a recent phenomenon. It's a friendship that has been nurtured over thousands of years, shaped by evolution and natural selection. It's a testament to the incredible adaptability of dogs and their enduring connection with humans. The bond between humans and dogs isn't a recent phenomenon, it's a friendship that has stood the test of time. There's more to this bond than just evolution and science, there's an emotional aspect too. Our connection with dogs goes beyond the realms of biology and genetics. It delves deeper into the intricate maze of emotions, making the bond we share with our canine companions one of the most profound relationships we experience. It's a connection that has been built over thousands of years, and it's one that continues to grow stronger with each passing day. Dogs, with their uncanny ability to read human emotions, can often seem eerily in tune with us. They seem to know when we're happy, when we're sad, when we're stressed, or when we're relaxed. This ability to empathize, to share in our emotions, is one of the reasons why we feel such a deep connection with them. It's as if they understand us on a level that even our closest human companions sometimes can't. And it's not just one-sided. Humans reciprocate these feelings towards dogs as well. We are instinctively drawn to their innocence, their loyalty, and their unwavering love. We find comfort in their silent companionship, a sense of peace in their presence. Our hearts soften at the sight of their wagging tails and bright eyes. We share their joy, their excitement, their curiosity, and their sorrow. This emotional connection is another major reason why dogs befriend humans. It's a bond that transcends species, a friendship that is built on mutual trust and understanding. It's a relationship that nurtures both the dog and the human, providing a sense of belonging, a feeling of being loved, and a companionship that is both rewarding and fulfilling. So, when we look into the eyes of our furry friends, we don't just see a pet. We see a friend, a confidant, a companion who understands us, who empathizes with us, who loves us unconditionally. And in return, we offer them the same. We offer them our love, our companionship, our understanding. It's clear that our relationship with dogs involves not just our minds but our hearts as well. So why do dogs befriend humans? Now you know. It's a fascinating blend of domestication, genetics, evolution, and pure emotional connection. The process of domestication has played a pivotal role in shaping this bond, as humans selectively bred dogs for traits that enhance their companionship. Genetics have also played their part, with certain genes in dogs associated with sociability towards humans. An evolutionary perspective reveals that this friendship may have conferred survival advantages, with dogs providing protection and humans providing food. But above all, it's the emotional connection that truly cements this bond, a mutual affection that transcends species boundaries. This bond between humans and dogs is a testament to the power of friendship and the beauty of interspecies relationships. It's a connection that enriches our lives and theirs, a bond as old as civilization itself. If you found this video informative and entertaining, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your fellow dog lovers. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our world.